Welcome back to our channel. The 2025 TVS King Duramax Petrol Rickshaw is a modern, reliable, and fuel-efficient three-wheeler designed to meet the needs of urban and semi-urban transportation. Known for its durability, comfort, and performance, this updated model sets a new standard for passenger rickshaws in India and beyond. With a stylish design, improved engineering, and practical features, the TVS King Duramax Petrol is built to provide maximum earnings for drivers while offering a smooth and safe ride for passengers. At the heart of the 2025 TVS King Duramax is a refined 225.8cc petrol engine that delivers excellent power and torque, ensuring quick acceleration and consistent performance even with a full passenger load. This engine is designed for low maintenance and high fuel efficiency, helping drivers reduce running costs while maximizing profits. The smooth 4-speed gearbox ensures hassle-free gear changes, making city driving effortless even in heavy traffic conditions. Comfort and convenience have been given special attention in this model. The spacious cabin allows 3 passengers to sit comfortably, with well-cushioned seats and adequate legroom. The driver's cockpit is ergonomically designed with easy-to-reach controls, clear instrumentation, and a comfortable seating position for long hours on the road. The improved suspension system absorbs bumps and uneven surfaces, providing a smoother ride for both driver and passengers. In terms of design, the 2025 TVS King Duramax Petrol Rickshaw sports a modern, aerodynamic look with bright headlights for better night visibility, stylish body panels, and durable paint finishes that withstand daily wear and tear. The strong chassis ensures stability, even when driving on rough roads, while the turning radius makes it easy to navigate through congested streets. Practical features like ample storage space behind the passenger seat, a sturdy roof for weather protection, and a reliable braking system make it a dependable choice for commercial use. The vehicle also meets modern emission standards, making it an eco-friendlier option in the passenger transport segment. The 2025 TVS King Duramax Petrol Rickshaw is more than just a means of transport, it's a partner in business for countless drivers. With its balance of performance, comfort, fuel efficiency, and durability, it delivers exceptional value. Whether for short city commutes or longer suburban routes, the Duramax is ready to provide safe, reliable, and profitable rides every day, making it a top choice for anyone in the passenger rickshaw industry. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon button.